Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that I mentioned earlier this week. It's already given two 10% opportunities alone this week, and it's consolidating, and I want to look at it moving forward to see if there's further weakness or if this consolidation is the preparation or the anticipation before the next catalyst and run, guys. So stay tuned for all information on that ticker symbol, and I'll also share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, both of them giving us 10% plus opportunities. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to. The link is down below in the description. So Ocgn stock has actually dipped yesterday, hit a low here of 853, and from yesterday's dip it had built momentum, consolidated, and took off to a newer high today and pulled back. Now, I've stated several times we want this stock above $10. It's fighting to get closer to it. We saw that here on Wednesday, pulled back pretty hard yesterday, and here we are with Ocgn stock actually sitting sideways right now, but getting closer every time to $10, and every time it does happen, it gets rejected. So we need to keep that in mind. $10 needs to be crossed. So the 50-day moving average here is 897. Anything above it is bullish, anything below it is bearish. Our support level we want to watch for is 879, 880, give or take. We want to see if the bulls can stay above that, or if the bears tear through that. That means they broke through the 50-day moving average, the first support level in bearish territory, and this could be on its way down to newer lows and new support levels. Now our resistance level is up here, and that is 921, guys. 921 needs to be broken through by the bulls. It's the highest point before this dip, and then slight momentum here that's been built, getting back over the 50-day moving average. But 921 is the highest point that needs to be crossed right now for the bulls to continue to pull upwards, reach newer highs, pull further away from the 50-day moving average, and get deeper into bullish territory. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and stay tuned on in towards the second half, guys. All I'm asking for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. We're going to discuss the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning, as well as the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list that has given two 10% opportunities already alone this week, guys. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have for you guys today is one that I mentioned earlier this week and over at the Patreon this weekend, and it's already up 10% from hitting its lows, guys. We're going to talk about that in just a moment, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. We're consistently looking for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is our home runs, and that's what we do no matter where the stock market is moving. So if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, the link to the Discord is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. So VTGN was one of the first ones I talked about. It was sitting at 257 when I started watching it, and PDSB was another one that was sitting at 637. So let's look at these charts and see how they reacted. So PDSB, when I mentioned it, was at 637. It pulled back and it hit a low here, right? Pretty close to 592, and hit a high here of 720, giving a highest point of 10% to 15% plus on the day, guys. Almost 20% reaching that high. But within that whole trajectory, there was enough room to make 5 to 10% and 10 to 15%, or 15 to almost 20% on that run. Great opportunity here with this one. All you got to do, which is what I always say, it's the stop loss, which is the cost of trying, right? Go ahead, watch it within the weakness, and if it seems like an opportunity, you go ahead, you try it out, you put your stop loss limit order. That's the cost of trying. If you get kicked out, you call it a day and move on. And if you don't, you ride through the volatility until you feel comfortable on taking profits, right? That's what we do. Maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, our second one is right here, and that was BTGN. I mentioned it at 257, ran up a little bit, pulled back pretty hard, and within that first run, giving us 10% plus opportunity, pulled back again, giving a 10 to 15% plus opportunity as well. This was phenomenal. These two were great day opportunities within regular day opportunities in those runs, and that's what we look for every single day, guys, and weekly as well with the stocks I mentioned over at the Patreon with my weekly watch list. So here we are with Clove. Okay, this is the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list, CLOV. So I talked about this one on the weekend. I talked about it on Monday, right? Hit a low here of 660, ran up, right, all the way up to 720, pulled back again, hitting 650s, and now it's been running and it's up 10%. It gave a 10% opportunity here and another 10% opportunity here. When you do the math, if you swing traded it both times, that gave 20% plus for the week, guys. That's what a lot of investors are expecting over the course of a year. That's what we do in days and weeks, guys. That's what we continue to plan on doing and striving for, and we will continue to do as a community over at Invest for Tomorrow Discord. And we look to maximize profits, minimize losses with execution and timing. That's what it's all about. But CLOV, right? CLOV, Clove stock, is a stock you want to add to your watch list regardless of the swing trade opportunities to see if it continues to consolidate, right, within this area or have further weakness and pull back before the next catalyst that's going to bring it back up to newer highs and new resistance levels, because this stock has had some great news going for it, but it's been short-sold, attacked by hedge funds, by Hindenburg. Also, earnings was not as great as expected. So there's just some things right now in the short term affecting this stock. But in the long term, if you do your research, you do your due diligence, and you see what the analysis ratings are saying, this stock seems to have potential. But this is a win-win for those that are long, trying to catch and keep their average cost as low as possible, this stock, or those that are swing trading, catching these opportunities of 5 to 10% within those runs, guys. I want you guys to add these stocks to your watch list and stay tuned on in always, guys. I'm sharing with you guys opportunities that I share with my same Patreons and Discord members. You're just not getting it in live update. You're going to get it either after market closes or when I post the video. So if you want to catch everything live updates and be more equipped and prepared and sharpened and ready for the opportunities, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.